Magnets are magic, and they make some great tool organizers. In this short video, we'll take a look at some organizers I've found to be useful, some of their shortcomings, and in some cases, some workarounds of those shortcomings. Well, let's begin with the galvanized metal pegboard. Get galvanized, not painted, because the paint will chip. Inexpensively acquired from stores where cheapskates such as myself like to shop. Princess Auto in Canada, for instance. With such a pegboard, standard peg hooks can be used, and all sorts of magnetic doodads can be attached, from lamps to all sorts of organizers, and many tools have integrated magnets in them as well. Here's the Magnetsource magnetic tool holder with 30 pounds per inch of max force holding power. This holder has no problem supporting big pliers like this. However, it has a real major shortcoming. Yeah, how the hell did that happen? It only has 2 stripes on the back versus 4 on the front. There is an easy workaround, and all you need to do is get some peel and stick bumper dots and put them in those locations. And now, it no longer leverages off. This organizer is sold by a bunch of different companies. This here's the Torin version. You can get it at Home Depot under the Husky brand. Not bad. It has reasonable holding power. However, the holding power does seem to be a bit variable across its length. It's kind of weak at the ends, kind of weak in the middle. Seems that the tool needs to cross those stripes. Another major shortcoming of this model is it has very little space. Standoff height makes it a little bit difficult to get your fingers in there, and sometimes the tool falls off when you grab it. And for dimensionally thick tools like the screwdriver, well, it tends to be absolutely useless. Now here's the screwdriver version. You can see the common pedigree in the design. It attempts to fix those problems I mentioned by using these plastic ribs and a little bit better of a standoff height. It's not too bad, but really it's not fantastic because it suffers the same problem of uneven magnetic field. In some slots it's kind of weak, and well, the hold on screwdrivers is a little bit tenuous. Here's the Magmate STO 625 magnetic storage shelf. Check out those big ass magnets on the back. This thing will have no problem holding the largest quantities of your favorite lubricants close at hand. Hey, don't judge me, I won't judge you. Here's the Lee Valley magnetic tool standoff. Rather expensive in my opinion, but they are pretty nice. Notice the big magnet on the rear, the small magnet on the front. And nominally what that is supposed to do is you can attach the tool and pull it off, and the magnets stay stuck on the pegboard quite well. They have amazing strength. However, they're not really designed for big ass pliers like that. They're ideal, however, for smaller tools like that. Now, if wood is more your style, get a handful of these little magnet cups for Lee Valley, eBay, Amazon, etc. They all have them. Then you drill an array of shallow holes in your cupboards. You tap these in, and then you plop in little rare earth magnets. And now you can stick up rulers and drill gauges, and you can spurg out like there's no tomorrow. Thanks for watching.